You know what time it is, right? Oh yeah. Hey everybody, welcome to another food challenge video. Today I'm in Lake, Michigan. No, not Lake Michigan itself. The town of Lake, Michigan, which is near the Clare and Mount Pleasant area. I am at the Boxcar Diner, about to attempt their undefeated Boxcar breakfast challenge. You heard it, another breakfast challenge. I was very excited when I found out about this one. So this challenge is a 6-egg omelet. Now that may not sound like a lot, but this thing is stuffed to the brim with all of their omelet meats, cheeses, and vegetables. It is also topped with a boatload of gravy. Very much looking forward to trying this. Challengers have a 1 sitting time limit to complete it. If you do, you don't get the meal for free. However, you get a certificate and go up on their wall of fame. I'm passing through the area and I have called ahead to make sure I can do this challenge. I'm very much excited to do it. So without further ado, let's go inside, check this place out. All right, sir, I'm gonna go ahead. Yep, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this, I think. Cooled down well enough, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's start. Delicious. I did learn there are some jalapenos on this, but not a lot. This gravy on it is amazing. Ooh, gotta be careful not to eat the paper. There's also like 6 different cheeses on this. Amazing. Whew. Some of that pepper jack cheese or those jalapenos. All right, about 5 minutes in. This thing is still tasting amazing. Great blend of flavors. Miraculously, I haven't spilled on myself yet. Fork has done its job. Let's switch to the spoon. Couple bites left. Nine minutes and 12 seconds. All right, so there you saw it. I finished the whole boxcar challenge at the Boxcar Diner in Lake, Michigan. I finished in 9 minutes and 12 seconds to be the first winner. Ooh, I gotta say that omelet was absolutely delicious. Definitely one of my favorite ones that I've done. There were just so many different meats, cheeses, and vegetables inside it. Even the jalapenos weren't too spicy, but that sausage gravy was the icing on the cake. Literally, that was so good. Just enjoyed it, made everything go down very easily. Big thanks to Ethan, the owner, and his family, who I got to talk to afterwards. They own this diner. Very, very nice place, very nice people. Really enjoyed my time here, and obviously really enjoyed the food if I could eat it that quick. For winning, I will go up on their wall of fame, and I will be the talk of the town according to their Facebook page. So very exciting. I also learned while I was here that they are going to start a burger challenge too, so I will definitely be back up here to try that at some point in the future. If you're in the area, Clare, Lake, Michigan, make sure you come check this place out. Very, very nice place. Like I said, very nice people and lots of different variety of food, and the food is delicious. If you're feeling up for it, try the Whole Boxcar challenge. You have one sitting to do it, and I'm the only one on the wall of fame, so see if you can join me. Otherwise, just order a regular size meal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next video.